And once more. And there we go.
And that's exactly what happened. Okay, let's see if we get it fired up. Off we go. There we go. Sorry?
It's owned by Dental.
And how long have you had it?
About 3 years, I should imagine.
And you've been working on it?
Yeah, we just stored it, yeah.
So if another one of these things is still found to use as chicken jet or something?
I guess it probably was,
Yeah, there's an awful lot of them do that. Thank you very much. We're in. We're going to open the throttle. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're off. But hey, I'll tell you what. The bottom one you can see on one finger. So that is why when you see these engines sitting on the peg, they'll have the flywheel slowly going round. It's not to look pretty, it's to keep the cylinder warm. Because otherwise you do get a lot of condensation in the cylinders themselves. So you expand it in one cylinder on that machine, it goes to compassion. The road sharp being made out of tarmac, and you've got a fast boiler. Each time you fix it, goes back and forth, you take the charge of the leveling out the water, next coming round we've got some models for you, and this I suppose really the power steam. The sensible here, which is version of the castle one of it, we'll probably have the two-part one up in front of the other. You'll be able to come in and take photographs of it. Again, got the four-cylinder engine underneath. Shaft drive to the rear wheels, exactly the same way as the big one. It's a bit line of the bucket by the engine in there, so they make like the half drive, 6-inch model, and that's so you can get the same job. No problem at all. Now, in 3, 2, 1. Wait for it. 1. That clears the wax out, doesn't it? all at the same time, and we'll see how we get on. All right? So, ready to pull, take the strain, take up the slack on the rope, that's it. Oh, don't know, first jolly good. Okay, and pull! Go on, pull! There you are, you've got it now, it's going. And this roll device is made by a company called John Deere. John Deere was an American farmer. He was working in the part of America where the ground is rather sticky. And when you were using a horse-drawn plough, the ground is thick with moulding more, and you ended up with a great big lump of mud going along, trying to work with that. Made the plough very heavy, it was rather difficult to do, and it didn't lay the ground up properly when you were ploughing it. Oh, can you make me one of those? Let's have each other making them for other people. Oh, look, we've got a little roll coming out of mine. Woo! Here you go. Just put the net round it, so hold it together. And off we go. Being on the road, see those back up here. Look at that. There you go. Packaging that we talked about that for a while. I think that's right. PEF, you start it up on petrol and switch over to paraffin. Will help you forget to switch it back to petrol before you stop it tonight. Otherwise you'll drain all the fuel out of the carburetor before you get to start morning. And there's a hot plate in the engine itself. It's warmed up by the exhaust. Vaporize with the paraffin. Once you get it nice and hot, you can switch that to paraffin. Of course, it was free to the run on paraffin. That's the doing is TF is diesel. Strangely enough. PED is paraffin, TF is you get that level up. Like our older version up there was a bit of a problem with getting up to that. So, always a big version of life.